I let
Okay.
you, but not my fish.
little Pepino just came up while I was over here. Good job. Okay, I'm here at Santa Ana in Keehi Lagoon because I heard that this area was shut off this morning to fishing. There's a sign over there that confirms that. You could fish this past weekend, but I have a feeling that they might be renovating this area, but I'm not sure. Try to get the scoop on this. Okay, the reason why they're shutting down the boat ramp is because the boat ramp is in bad disrepair. So this area over here, they want to keep open to the boats, the larger boats coming in. So until they get the normal pier repaired, that's the reason why they shut fishing down over here. And hopefully it won't last for too long. Okay, you see the no fishing sign? It's because the pier over here, the small boat launch, is in bad need of repair. See the hole in the center? And it should be going all the way out there, but it can't. So they knocked it down. They're going to be having work crews work on it. And because of that, now they're going to be going all the way to that pier over there, and they're going to use that, and the signs over there, they're using that as their loading unloading area until the repairs are done over here. So I don't think this no fishing ban will last too long.